The 2023 African Investment Forum AIF Market Days boardrooms secured $34.82 billion in investment interest during its three-day session in Morocco. This figure is higher than the $31 billion investment interest secured in 2022. President of AfBD Group, Akinwumi Adesina, announced the figure after the 2023 AIF Market Days held in Marrakech, Morocco. The AIF Market Days is a dynamic multi-stakeholder platform focusing on continental deal-making, facilitating connections between project sponsors, policymakers, and investors. The African Export-Import Bank, Afreximbank, on Friday said it is working on the establishment of a $1 billion African film fund to be launched in 2024 to support the continent's film industry. Kanayo Awani, the Executive Vice President of Intra-African Trade Bank at Afreximbank, announced this at the ongoing Intra-African Trade in Cairo, Egypt. Addressing the opening of the 2023 CANEX Summit held as part of the third Intra-African Trade Fair, Awani said that the fund would oversee film financing, co-finance with large studios, finance African filmmakers, and finance producers and directors of film projects across the continent. CANEX is an Afreximbank initiative to support Africa and the African diaspora's creative and cultural industries by providing financing and non-financing instruments to boost growth. And finally, a total turnover of 2.525 billion shares worth 45.297 billion naira in 32,815 deals was traded this week by investors on the floor of the exchange. Financial services industry measured by volume led the activity chart. The oil and gas industry followed in second place, while in third place was the ICT industry. The NGX share index and market capitalization appreciated by 0.93% and 0.95% to close the week at 70,849.38 basis points and 38.925 trillion naira respectively. 37 equities appreciated in price during the week. 43 equities depreciated, while 75 equities remained unchanged. And that's it on Business News. I am Chiamaka Mwafo.
To international stories now, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has reassured investors from Saudi Arabia that all bottlenecks will be removed, guaranteeing that funds will come in and go out without hindrance. The president spoke on Saturday in Riyadh in Saudi Arabia as he began his deliberations with captains of Arabian industry at the Nigeria-Saudi Investment Roundtable. He made it clear that with his team in place, every negative reception or notion about what Nigeria had presented in the past with respect to the ease of doing business, monetary policy, and trade cooperation were no longer applicable now and in the future of Africa's largest economy, which he firmly declares is open for business. Saudi Arabia's Trade and Investment Minister Khalid El-Fali noted the passion and candid expression of the Nigerian president, saying that after listening to the president speak from his heart without any written remarks about what is possible between the two nations, Nigeria can expect that the Saudi investment community will respond not in words alone, but with substantial new investment across several sectors of the Nigerian economy.